And the police in central Kingston have promised tougher measures in their division in a bid to reduce the number of killings heading into the new year. They had a community meeting today, which was also addressed by the Member of Parliament and the caretaker, all with the hope of bringing peace to the community.
A handful of residents from sections of Rose Garden and Tel Aviv in central Kingston were the only community members who braved the call for a meeting to address the crime and violence that have had the police busy and residents traumatized for the past 2 weeks. The latest attack Thursday morning claimed the life of 10-year-old Jezariah Tyrrell, more affectionately called Kisses. She was killed when gunmen opened fire in a house where she was sleeping after a failed arson attack. Member of Parliament Donovan Williams, who was there, condemned the killing.
This is a result of ego, selfishness, war for turf, self-aggrandizement in the bodies. It has to stop. No MP wants that in his community.
The murder stems from the deadly ongoing gang feud between the dark side and genocide factions that operate in the space. SSP Steve McGregor says the police will be more focused on reducing crime and violence in the area.
If there's crime and violence in your place, you won't get any kind of gathering because that is recipe for action to take place. So even though this is New Year's Eve, don't even think about having any kind of gathering within this local. Not going to happen. I'll tell you that I will be in the place from this evening until tomorrow. And we are not going to go into the new year with what is happening in this community. It is going to change.
PNP candidate for the area, Imani Duncan Price, says residents don't trust the police.
When you walk with the gunman, then it's like you give them the power and the authority. It don't work. It causes fear amongst the law-abiding citizens of all these communities. So choose. If we choose who we affiliate with, we can give confidence to the residents here about on what side we stand.
Head of operations at the Kingston Central Police Station, Superintendent Beresford Williams, will be in charge of the division effective January 10. In the meantime, an appeal to the criminals and those who support them.
One of the greatest deterrents of crime is when the guys in the community feel that the people are fed up with them. They are no longer with them. They are afraid of that than the police. They are afraid of that more than the police. When them say, "Una no ina with them ina," so we have to take ourselves from them. That is how we have to make this thing change.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.